Hi guys, I'm Ashwin. In this video, we are going to discuss the Practicum 14 of mathematical concepts. This program demonstrates the quadratic regression using NumPy library. So we are going to find the parabolic fit of a given function. First, we input two libraries, NumPy and Matplotlib. So NumPy is used for numerical calculations and computations, whereas MATLAB is used for plotting graphs. Then we input the data using array. So we have used np.array function to get the input data in the format of array, where x represents the visitor and y represents the page request. So then we find the parabolic fit, that is a comma b comma c is equal to np dot pol fit of 2. So here 2 represents the degree of polynomial, that is quadratic. Then it returns the coefficients of a comma b comma c. Then we display the equation by rounding off the a to 6, then b and c 4 respectively. Then we are going to predict, that is x of p is equal to 6000 and y of p is equal to a power x p star 2 plus b power x plus c, so that we are going to predict for 6000 visitors. Then what will be our output will be very large, because quadratic growth increases rapidly. So that we use smooth curving plotting, that is x of line is equal to np line space min of x max of x by 100. So this generates a smooth curve point, helps visualize parabola clearly. Then we are going to plot the graph. We use plt.scatter function and plt of plot function to represent the x-axis and y-axis as visitors and page requests, and then plt.plot function is used to plot the data in the graph. So scatter, it represents the actual data, curve represents the best fit parabola. So the output is displayed here. Thank you.